In today's lesson, we will learn WH questions in English. WH questions help us ask for information. We will practice slowly, with easy questions and answers. Please listen carefully. And repeat after me. Let's begin.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Silva.
Who are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my friend.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What is this?
This is a book.
When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
When is your English class?
My English class is on Monday at 9 a.m.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 10th.
When do you go to work?
I go to work on weekdays. Where are you from?
I am from Sri Lanka.
Where do you live?
I live in Colombo.
Where is the bus stop?
It is near the school.
Why are you tired?
Because I worked all day.
Why are you happy?
Because I passed my exam.
Why are you studying English?
Because I want to speak better.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
How is the weather?
It is sunny. WH questions are very important in daily English. Practice these questions every day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.